mini Pitta pizzas are in the Cook with M&S cookbook that is in stores now, and it's full of my favourite cook with recipes. Cook with M&S roast red pepper paste. I'm going to top them off with some of my favourite bits from the M&S deli. You can really pick what you like. Delicious with olives, artichokes, cured meats. It's all delicious. I'm going to show you how to make it. Cook with M&S roast red pepper paste. Spread of that on top of our pittas. So it's topping time. I'm going to be using these lovely little mini mozzarella balls. If you can't get the mini ones, a regular ball of mozzarella works perfectly fine. Just tear it up into little pieces. And you just want to mix some of that green pesto with the mozzarella. Tasty little topping for those pizzas. Throw in some of those char-grilled peppers. I love the colour, the red and the yellow, it's so vibrant. And then I'm just going to throw a few of them tomatoes on that we're in with the mozzarella. Little drizzle of that oil on the top. So our Pitta pizzas are ready for the oven. I'm going to bang them on the middle shelf for 10-12 minutes until that mozzarella is oozy, golden, bubbly and melted all over. So there you go, my mini Pitta pizzas. They're perfect, quick and easy, family lunch or dinner. That is how I cook with M&S at home. Recipe on screen now, or you can also get the recipe in the new Cook with M&S cookbook in stores now. It's just £5. In the meantime, I'm going to go and get stuck into these. Can't wait.